Hi, welcome to Missologist. We're doing a very new thing, which I'm super excited about, where I'm going to try different ciders that I've never had and basically give you a review and, it'll like a blind taste test. Well, not a blind one, I'm sorry. I did a video with a blind taste test and I forgot to record the audio. And so, but don't worry, I'm still going to release that one. But anyway, it's just going to be like a taste test review thing because I am a huge cider freak, like love this stuff. Will drink pretty much any cider that I come across unless it's really dry because I don't, sorry, it's my cat, never mind. Because I don't enjoy dry ciders, but I love everything else. And I go to all the cider fests and frequently order Reverend Nat cider and cider from Press Then Press and all that fun stuff. Okay, so today I am trying Avid Cider watermelon rhubarb. And I will say I'm a big fan of Avid. They used to have a restaurant in the Pearl District here in Portland. And excellent food and all their ciders. Sadly, it closed, but they still do, I believe, have a restaurant in Bend, Oregon. And so my favorite generally from them is their blackberry cider. It's really, really fresh and crisp, and that was my other cat. Anyway, and I don't know, it's really good, but I like to try new ones. And so this is the new one that I found. So we're gonna give it a try, see how it is. Watermelon rhubarb, here we go. Okay. I know where I'll do closer shots so you can actually see like the color and the can and all that, but right now I'm just doing cursory. Oh, okay, so the color is pretty interesting. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's sort of a champagne-y color. I was expecting a red color, so that's pretty interesting, but also neat. Okay, nose is basic. God, my cats are fighting. Hold on. Anyway, nose is basically pure watermelon. I mean, rhubarb tends to be kind of, really tart, and so it mixes really well with sweet things. So I think that's probably why they put it with the watermelon. But all I can smell is the watermelon. So I'm very curious to see if the rhubarb comes through. Similar to a strawberry rhubarb tart or something, or if it's just very watermelon-y, which isn't a bad thing, but I'm interested. So let's see. There's sort of a slightly off smell too, which might be the rhubarb that I'm getting, because it's not the watermelon, but it's a little skunky. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out. Okay. I like that. The first sip, at least, it wasn't overly sweet. It actually has a bit of tartness, which is probably the rhubarb. It's very smooth. It actually doesn't have a lot of effervescence to it or carbonation, because some ciders are, you just get hit with that carbonation. This one just tastes very smooth and pleasant. So that's also interesting. I'm going in for a second taste just to make sure. Okay. Yeah, I'm still really liking this. You really can't taste watermelon, like it's not overpowering or anything. I think I got a bit of it there at the very end, but mainly I was just tasting like a very tart, fruit forward flavor without anything being too dominant. And so that's really impressive because I think it's hard to balance flavors in cider. I've seen, you know, I've had other ciders where you either can't taste what it supposedly tastes like, or it's like too overpowering, you know, like I'm trying to think. I had one that was like a strawberry something or other at a cider fest, and it was just like in your face, like bleh. And so I think they did a very nice job with this one. I highly recommend it. Again, that's Avid Cider Company out of Bend, Oregon, and this is their watermelon rhubarb. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, found it helpful. This is gonna be a weekly thing from now on, these cider reviews. So yeah, cheers.